One of my biggest pet peeves when it comes to managing email threads or conversations is when someone does not notify the members of the group that they are looping in or looping out another person into that conversation. Why is this so important? Think of email conversations like a party in which it pays to show some respect by informing the host that you are bringing a +1. The same thing also happens for email transactions, because sometimes when confidential information are being shared, you want others to know if the person who has been looped in is worthy of knowing that information, or should they be taken out. The same thing also happens when it comes to looping out people from the group. Sometimes I've been sharing information all these times thinking that my target readers and recipients are in that email conversation, and then I find out later on that they have been taken out. All my efforts have been wasted. Remember, most people focus their attention to the contents of the email, not to the recipients or to those who are copied in it. Of course, we're supposed to know those things, but it pays to notify and let others know as well. I wish you the best in your career. Good luck.